everyone, welcome back to Home and Fam Life. My name is Rachelle if you're new here, and I'm going to show you my after supper routine. I start out by washing all of the dishes. I do wash my dishes by hand. I do not have a dishwasher, so I'm going to go ahead and wash these, and then I will dry them and put them away, and then we'll move on to the next step. And I'm going to go ahead and play some music while I wash the dishes and let you guys enjoy.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that we I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. The last one I think about.
I've watched you pay your dues. Life took you down a few. Served up a fight, not gonna lie. And I've watched you take the blows, thinking that it wouldn't show. I've seen the stains, black tears and rain. But know that in the darkest hour, right there in the deepest night, I'm gonna try to make it right. And I'll take your pain, baby, I'll wear it out like a raider in the dark. I'll be coming to light your spark. No need to hide, baby, no need to doubt. When you face a closing door, I'll be showing you so much more. When you need it, know
So after I put all the dishes away, I go ahead and spray out my sink. Tonight I'm using the Clorox cleanup with bleach because it is cold and flu season and we want to make sure all of the germs are gone. I do work in a hospital, so I tend to bring home germs, so I like to, during cold and flu season, be sure to use some products such as Lysol or bleach to clean up. So now you can see our robot vacuum cleaner Ramon. I will not mention the brand. If anybody does want to know, you can message me and I'll let you know for sure what it is. But this is not a sponsored video, so I don't want to, go into a whole lot of detail on him. But he does a very good job cleaning up. We love him. He vacuums my kitchen for me after I get done doing the dishes, and then I'm going to go ahead and mop. And this is just a great value mop, just a cheap one that I got from Walmart. And then I went ahead and wetted my e-cloth mop head, and I need to get a smaller one to fit on this mop, but e-cloth is amazing because it has antibacterial properties. So all you have to do is wet it. You don't have to use any kind of product. So I wet it and toss it on the floor, and then I put my mop on it and mop my floor. And using this makes cleaning my floors so easy. And if you guys would like to take a look at the e-cloth products, I will have those listed in the description box below. That is an affiliate link, so I will get a little bit of commission off of it if you do use my link, but I love their products and I will be showing some more of their products in future videos. Other ones that I am obsessed with is the appliance one and the everyday one that I use to clean my countertops, and that's pretty much all I use to clean my countertops. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!